In this video, I'm going to explain about comparison operators in Python. Hello everyone, my name is Damario Sujono. I'm a full-time data analyst and content creator. Welcome to my introduction of Python for beginners, of course. And this is the 12 episodes. So yeah, if you haven't checked out my previous videos, you can check out here. I put the link also, and yeah, check out the videos, everything. But in this video, I'm going to explain about comparison operators. So in Python, we have 6 comparison operators. We have less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, equal to, and not equal to. Right. So I mean, like it's better if I show you the sign, right? Okay. So as I said before, in Python we have 6 comparison. We have first a less than, less than, and then less than equal, and then we have greater than, then we have greater than equal, or greater than or equal to, and then we have equal to, and then the last thing we have not equal to, so it's going to be here. All right, as I explained before, there are 6 comparison operators in Python. We have less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and not equal to. Right, so let's start in the beginning. Imagine you have something like this. So 10, 2. And then to give you an overview, all the comparison will return true or false. So there is no integer or a string. It's gonna be a Boolean, true or false. So let's say if you see this one, if I run this program, which one is gonna be? All right, you're right. It's gonna be false. Why is it not saying false? Oh, yeah, my bad. So let's say you have print 10, 2, 2. Which one's gonna be false, right? So because 10, of course, is not less than 2, but it's gonna be like greater than 2. So if I change the sign comparison here to here, it's gonna be true. All right, so that's a basic comparison operators. I'm sure you know in your mathematics class about less than or greater than. Let's say I want to give you example something float, say 10.22. Let's say 10.2. Which one's gonna be? Yeah, it's gonna be true because 10.2 is greater than or equal to 10.2, so it's correct, right? The other thing that I want to explain to you, this is very straightforward, is equal to. So in Python, we have this sign. So what do you think about this sign? Right. So in Python, the double equal operator is known as an equality operator. The operator. So what it does, so the operator will return a true if both operands are equal. However, this you should not be confused with the single equal, because single equal is equal to or it works as an assignment. Works as an assignment. So it assigned values to a variable. Okay. All right. So I'll give you one example. Let's say I want to have a print. Let's say 78 equal to 78.0. So write in the comment which do you think the result's gonna be. Yep, the result is true. Okay. All right. So I think that's pretty much it. Comparison operators in Python. So to give you a conclusion, again, if you are talking about Python, we are talking about 6 comparison operators. We have less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and then equal to and not equal to. All right. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. If you like this video, make sure to click like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.